Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're scratching your head over the error code CH15 on your LG air conditioner, especially with the 2025 models, don't worry. We're diving straight into it. This error typically signals a problem with the compressor's discharge temperature sensor, which can disrupt your AC's cooling performance and leave you in a sweat. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your unit back up and running quickly. First off, what exactly is error code CH15? In LG air conditioners, it's often related to an issue with the sensor that monitors the temperature of the refrigerant as it leaves the compressor. If this sensor detects something off, like overheating or a faulty reading, it triggers the error to prevent potential damage. This is a smart safety feature, but it's frustrating when it halts your comfort. Now, let's talk about common causes. The error might stem from a dirty or blocked air filter, which makes the system work harder and overheat. It could also be due to electrical issues, such as loose wiring connections or a malfunctioning sensor. In some cases, especially with newer 2025 models, it might be linked to software glitches or improper installation. To troubleshoot, start by turning off your AC at the circuit breaker and unplugging it for about 5 minutes to reset the system. This simple step resolves the issue for many users. Next, check and clean the air filters. Dust buildup is a common culprit. Inspect the outdoor unit for any obstructions or debris that could cause overheating. If you're comfortable, use a multimeter to test the sensor's connections, but if not, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid voiding your warranty or causing more harm. Remember, prevention is key. Regularly maintain your AC by cleaning filters monthly and scheduling annual professional checkups. That way, you can avoid these errors altogether and keep your home cool all summer long. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing LG error code CH15. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool out there.